Hey everybody, I am going to talk about some stocks that I don't own yet, but I am thinking about buying. A lot of people have asked me what I'm watching right now. It's been a very interesting earnings season to say the least. So I'm going to talk about the top 4 stocks on my watch list that I don't already own. So we're going to dive in just a second. Before we do, please take a minute and check out the link you see on your screen. Fool.com/Franklin. You can get the top 10 stocks to buy right now from the Motley Fool. It is the best way to support this work I'm doing on YouTube. Again, fool.com/Frankel, and be sure to stay tuned after this video for a message from the Motley Fool. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick, and we will start right from one of the stocks I am most excited to add to my portfolio. This is Unity Software. Ticker symbol is U. Unlike a lot of the other stocks on this list, Unity actually kind of spiked after earnings. This is a company in turnaround. The stock's still down like 80% or something like that from all-time highs reached during the 2021 era. Essentially, previous management made a few missteps, especially with the fee structure. They brought in a new leader. He's the one who led the turnaround at Zynga a few years ago. So great experience. He's doing a fantastic job so far, and the recent results show that the turnaround is making impressive progress. Beyond that, there's a lot of applications for Unity's products other than just the gaming business, which it excels in. Robotics is a big one. Automotive technology is another one. Toyota selected them to help build their new driver interface. And we're starting to see a really solid path to profitability coming back. So Unity Software is number one. Number two on my list is a company called Sezzle. I did not have the buy now, pay later trade right a few years ago. I thought when the economy turned in 2022 and we saw a bear market, that these companies were going to get crushed, that people would stop paying their loans and things like that. It didn't happen. Their credit quality has held up fantastically. Sezzle is more of an up and comer than the industry leaders like Affirm and Klarna. It is a rapidly growing buy now pay later company. It's been hammered recently. The valuation got a little bit unrealistic for a while, but now is trading for less than 15 times forward earnings, despite great profitability, great growth, great capital allocation. They're buying back shares and taking advantage of this, and innovative products. They're the only one that I know of that when you get a buy now pay later loan, you can choose whether or not your payments are reported to the major credit bureaus. So that's just one example of how they're innovating in their industry, and it's one that I'm really excited to watch grow. Number 3 is the Trade Desk, ticker symbol TTD. I owned this a long time ago, and I sold it when it started to look a little frothy. But this company's about 70% off its highs. It had a couple of weak earnings reports. People are worried about companies like Alphabet or Google taking market share and building out their own programmatic advertising solutions. I'm really not terribly worried about that. The Trade Desk has had to pivot many times in the past. Their leadership has a great track record. This is still a founder-led business. The advertising market is huge, and as more advertising dollars migrate to things like connected TV ads, it's going to get even bigger. It's a highly profitable business, very solid balance sheet. So the Trade Desk is one that I am seriously considering putting back in my portfolio at these levels. And last but certainly not least, is Bluebird, ticker symbol BLBD. If you ever went to a public school in the United States, you probably know this company. They make school buses. They're one of 3 major manufacturers of school buses. They are the clear leader when it comes to non-diesel buses, like natural gas powered buses, and more excitingly is electric buses. They make more electric buses than all their peers combined. It's a highly profitable company. It trades for 12 times forward earnings. Their sales have been kind of sluggish lately, but our bus fleets are aging. They're going to need replacement in high quantities in the near future. Electric vehicle technology is evolving very, very fast. So I think this company has a very, very bright future. And the price is right now. And worst case, I'm wrong about the EV trade. It's still one of the leaders in school buses, still a highly profitable company that you're getting for 12 times earnings. So that's one that I like. I'd love to hear what you think about these picks, if I'm right or wrong on any of them, which is your favorite out of them. I'll do my best to respond to everything individually. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a message from the Motley Fool. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by more than 5 times. Go to fool.com/Frankel to get your 10 stock picks now. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor returns are 914% as of January 7th, 2025, and are measured against the S&P 500 returns of 174% as of January 7th, 2025.